Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pock. I am an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, 4 New Year's resolutions to help your thought leadership marketing content be better than ever in 2021. So we're at that point in time where we're all thinking about our New Year's resolutions and perhaps also how to make those resolutions stick past the first or second week of January. If you're a lawyer, you've got to have marketing and business development on your list of resolutions. Obviously, you marketing yourself and you building a book of business will give you greater autonomy within your legal career and really allow you to control your own destiny. We all know that thought leadership marketing content like blog posts, byline articles, client alerts, and similar content are all core components of a lawyer's business development and marketing efforts. So in this video, I want to give you 4 New Year's resolutions that you could use to make your content more effective in 2021. The first resolution is to go deeper and not wider. When I talk about deeper, not wider, what I'm referring to is ideal clients. You should be always focused on your ideal clients and drilling down and hitting all of the kinds of issues and concerns that they have. Even if you don't have a niche legal practice, you should have some idea of who your ideal clients are. Well, use your thought leadership marketing content to talk to them. And always, no matter what you're doing, whether it's covering a recent case, covering proposed legislation, or just doing a how-to kind of blog post, always come back and make sure you are talking about what keeps your ideal clients up at night. You really want to focus on them because that communicates to them that you know what they're dealing with, you know how to help them both on their legal issues, but perhaps maybe their business issues or their non-legal issues that touch on their legal issues. And what's nice about this is if you continuously and consistently talk to your ideal clients through your thought leadership marketing content, you'll eventually build a library of content focused solely on that ideal client or those ideal clients. And after those people find your content, it's going to be hard for them to look elsewhere for legal counsel because you have everything in a row, if you will, regarding their concerns. Your content is consistent about addressing their concerns. They can't help but think, but you must be the attorney they need to go to for assistance on a particular legal matter because they know you so well and the kinds of issues that you face. Okay, resolution number 2, on a related note, is to keep a list of your clients' concerns, questions, and other statements handy in the form of a notepad or on your phone. What better way to address your clients' issues, concerns, questions through your content than to know exactly firsthand what those issues and concerns and questions are? Every conversation that you have with the client could perhaps yield a future blog post, a future client alert, because they're going to raise questions. And while obviously you don't want to be specific and mention who raised the question, they still will give you inspiration for future thought leadership marketing content. So what better way, again, to be able to address an ideal client's concerns than by listening carefully to your current clients? What are they talking about? What are their concerns? And answer those in the form of content. The good thing for you is that almost always, similar clients are going to have similar legal questions regarding similar legal issues. So if one client has a question, there's a darn good chance other clients will too, which means this content will be extremely valuable for a large range of your ideal clients. New Year's resolution number 3 is to subscribe to your peer law firm's email newsletters. I know I'm asking you to add some emails to your inbox each day or each week, but it's really helpful for you to get a sense of what your competitors, what your peers are doing. And you can see, are they publishing as often as you are? Are you publishing more? Are they publishing more? What kind of content are they publishing? Are they publishing just client alerts, just blog posts? What kind of tone are they using when they craft these blog posts? Are they covering an area of law that you don't, that you should, or vice versa? Is there an opportunity for you to cover an area of law, perhaps through a new blog that none of your peer firms are, but is staring right at you as a potential candidate for that kind of deep dive based on the potential for a new business? What's their creative look like? Are their email newsletters better on a mobile screen than on a large desktop computer monitor? Are they sending you digest emails? Are they sending you 1 email a week, 1 email a month? Or are they sending you 15 emails a month? How are they handling their thought leadership marketing content, both the substantive side of it and the creative side of it? I'm not saying that you need to copy exactly what they're doing, but it'll at least give you an idea of where you stack up against them and perhaps give you some benchmarks to meet and or exceed if you're not already doing so. Finally, the 4th New Year's resolution is to subscribe to the email newsletters from professional services firms that you work with, such as accounting firms, executive search firms, expert witness firms, and the like. And the reason here is that the peer firms that you're going to be monitoring through their email newsletters, they probably are going to take from the same playbook. If you're a lawyer, you only have so much thought leadership marketing content strategy and tactics that you can draw upon. But by looking at other professional service firms, you might draw inspiration from either the way that they cover certain topics. Are they using a more informal tone than law firms are known for? That's something to note. Are they focusing on aspects of their clients' concerns that you're not already, that you could adopt as your own? How is their creative? Are they doing different things with video, with photos, with fonts in their email newsletters that make them more appealing to read? Again, these are all things that you can look at and draw inspiration from. Even if these professional services firms are B2B firms and you have a B2C practice like family law or criminal defense, still you can take some inspiration. You're not looking for an exact match here. You're simply looking for inspiration and some new ideas and new ways to innovate on your own thought leadership marketing content. Okay, so those are 4 New Year's resolutions for your thought leadership marketing content in 2021. Again, go deeper, not wide. We want to make sure that we are recording our clients' concerns in a notepad and a smartphone app so we can always refer back to those concerns, those questions and issues as inspiration for new thought leadership marketing content. And subscribe to your peer law firms' email newsletters as well as professional services firms' newsletters. That way you can get some inspiration and determine if there are better ways to do thought leadership marketing content than you are currently doing now. If you have any questions about crafting thought leadership marketing content, or you'd like to know how to better craft thought leadership marketing content, visit lawfirmeditorialservice.com. There we have blog posts and videos I think you will find useful and hopefully will help you be able to craft more effective and strategic thought leadership marketing content. Until next time, thanks so much for watching.